YouTube family, it's your girl Raquel. What's going on, y'all? This is a quick video. I just got my BoxyCharm and I want to share it with you guys real quick. I just got off work and I went to the mailbox and I just ran upstairs and turned on the camera, y'all. For real, just like that, just like that. Let's see, the theme of this BoxyCharm for August is life of the party. Okay, we gonna see. The first thing I'm looking at that I got to pull out of here are these House of Lashes lashes. They're North Fairy Light. I'm trying to see how much they are. House of Lashes. Oh, $9 to $12. Okay, I had bought some of these a while ago in Misha, but this is what these look like. I like them. I think they're gonna be cute. The band don't look too thick. It don't look thick, but I'm gonna check them out. The next video I'm popping these on. And then this Laura Lee Los Angeles palette says it retails for $19. That's pretty good because it feels like it's one of those ColourPop palettes. Oh, they playing, right? It's got a mirror, y'all. Oh my goodness, look at that. Those shades remind me of this BH Cosmetics palette that came out a while ago. Hold on, let me go get it. These shades remind me exactly of this BH Cosmetics palette. Let me let y'all get a close-up look at this. Oh my goodness, what am I gonna do with that? Y'all talking about that Kat Von D palette. That's crazy right there. That's crazy. Ooh, I gotta see how vibrant they are. Ooh, I like the turquoise. Check out this yellow green. I gotta show y'all this palette. A few years ago, maybe 6-7 years ago, BH Cosmetics came out with a palette called Creative Me. This is the palette. And that reminds me a lot, yes, a lot of this palette. Look at that. That's just like that Creative Me palette. I don't remember how much it was because it's been so many years ago, but I keep everything. Okay, Laura Lee, I wonder where she got her inspiration. I'm just saying, Okay, did I say, yeah, this palette was $19, the Laura Lee palette. And the next thing I see in here is 3 eye masks by Wonder Beauty. What did we get? A mascara last month by Wonder Beauty. This is Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Okay, what does it do? After a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil underlining masks, they brighten and hydrate and reduces the appearance of dark circles. Okay, we get 3 uses of those. At least you know if it's just one, you don't know if it worked or not. But after 3 times, why not? Put them in the fridge. And then I have this NCLA So Rich treatment. What is this? This NC So Rich treatment. Glam yourself head to cuticle before a night out with this vitamin E infused cuticle oil. Oh, smells good. It smells like coconut. Okay, that's what that looks like. And then I see this Bang Beauty. Oh, a gel eyeliner. Oh, that cuticle oil was $18. Oh, it's taking the top coat of my polish out. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's weird. And these are gel nails, so that's weird. Anyway, that was $18, and this eyeliner is $22. Chocolate gel eyeliner. It says chocolate. Don't smell like chocolate, and neither does it look chocolate. It looks more like a brown. I'm not sure what I can do with that. Probably use it as an eye base because it's the same color as my skin. That's all I could probably use it for a shadow base. It kind of feels like that Groundwork by MAC. That's what it feels like. And then the last thing I have in here, oh, is a Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal. It's a lip gloss. Let's open it and see what it is. Oh, that's what it is. What color is this? Petal Metal. I don't know if y'all can see that, but oh my, look at that. Wow. Let me swatch this on this hand because this is going to be too much gold for me. Oh yeah. Yes. I'm going to play with it. I'm going to play with it just to be playing with it. Let me get my mirror. Yeah, it's gold. It's gold for real. Maybe a brown liner would make that work. But that's the only way I can see that. Maybe a brown liner. Okay, guys. That's it for my BoxyCharm for the month of August. And I'm really not excited about only the lashes. I'm really excited about just the lashes. Because it's, I don't know, maybe this gloss will work if I had some liner. So maybe the Smashbox gloss and the lashes. That's it. The eye mask, I mean, out of all eye masks that I've got, second pair I've got from BoxyCharm, I'm not too, don't know. And it's Party Animal. Yeah, maybe I could use that purple and try it out with my, check that pink out. See, those colors are just too vibrant. I look like a little, that's too much. It look like the 80s, which is why I never use the Creative Me. It's pretty to look at, but not really to use. But maybe I can put that purple in with my Narvina palette, that dark purple I was looking for. But who knows? Anyway, y'all, I hope you're having a blessed Friday, a wonderful day, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe and stay blessed. See y'all in the next video. Bye.